Interest is charged whenever you don't pay your balance in full. A lot of people believe that paying the minimum amount is enough to stay out of trouble. But what many don't realize is that interest starts building immediately on the remaining balance. When you only pay the minimum, the unpaid amount carries over to the next month. Then interest is added, and the following month, you're charged interest on a larger balance. This cycle continues month after month, quietly increasing what you owe. Over time, a small purchase can end up costing much more than its original price. That's how credit card companies make most of their money. Paying the minimum keeps your account in good standing, but it doesn't protect your wallet. Whenever possible, paying your full balance is the best way to avoid interest completely. It means you're only paying for what you bought, not extra fees for borrowing. If you can't pay the full amount, try to pay more than the minimum. Every extra dollar reduces future interest. Understanding how interest works gives you control, and paying full balances helps you save money and stay financially stress-free.